O Mother Vrindavan, O Brindatavi Mata, Brindatavi Mata, O Mother Vrindavan, you are my only life and soul. That's Ekam Mam Jivatur. Shri Brindatavi Mata Ekam Mam Jivatur. That Jiva, life. Mam, my life. Ek, one, me, life. My one life. Ekam Mam Jivatur. Shri Brindatavi Mata. Oh, Shri Brindatavi Mata. Oh, Mata, oh, Mata. We always say, every little child grows up, Mat, Papa, 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 Mata, Mata. You say, Mata, Papa, Chordye. Vrindavan Jai Aenge. And then we have a new mother, Mother Vrindavan, Shri Brindatavi Mata. Oh, Shri Brindatavi Mata. Ekam Mam Jivatur. Shri Brindatavi Mata, Ekam Mam Jivatur. You're my only life. And then the other part, Sanskrit I don't have, but it says, out of affection, please be kind and affectionate to me and drag me from my so-called friends and my relatives and keep me on your lap. That's from Vrindavan Mahimamrita 133. Then Vrindavan Mahimamrita 11 Shatak, means like chapter, Shatak. Verse 1. That's the last one I have. Says, O noble mother. It says noble mother. He says Sumata. Sumata. Su means noble, good. Su means good. Oh, good mother. Oh, noble mother. Oh, noble mother, Brindatavi. By nature, you are overflowing with boundless affection. Please hold on your lap this mischievous child. So the whole thing is an analogy, a comparison. I'm a nonsense child, and you're my doing all nonsense, and you're my mother. So please pick me up. Please stop my nonsense. Sit me on your lap. Because there I can't do any nonsense sitting on your lap. So keep me on your lap so that I'm not really maybe doing anything good, but I'm not doing anything bad. And it's a good position for me. So you have overflowing with boundless, what a beautiful statement about Vrindavan. Oh, Brindatavi Mata. Actually it says Sumata. Sumati Brindatavi. Oh, Sumati Brindatavi. Brindatavi Sumata. You're overflowing with boundless affection. Please hold on your lap. Who? Me. Who am I? I'm a mischievous. I'm a Chalak Balak, Chalak Balak. I'm a mischievous child who has been playing in the dirt, figuratively and literally, like children play in the dirt. But for an adult, we don't play in the dirt, but we play in the dirt of our material desires. We play in the dirt of my material ambitions. Lusty desires are dirty. Greed is and desires to fulfill so much greed and want. That's dirty, and envy is very dirty. And anger is very dirty. So this is playing in the dirt, means playing in the kshetra of this material world. And kshetra means dirt, or this griha kshetra, or this sharir kshetra, this field of the body, which Krishna describes in chapter 13 of the Bhagavad Gita. Kshetra nayor, the field and the knower of the field. So there's the dirt and the knower of the dirt. I'm the mischievous child, I'm the knower, and I'm playing in the dirt. Knowingly, I'm in Maya. So keep me on your lap, this mischievous child who has been playing in the dirt. Be merciful and forgive my offenses. Please feed me the transcendental milk. Please feed me the transcendental milk of transcendental love, for you're a master and mistress, and give me all protection. Beautiful verse. Yes. 11, Vrindavan Mahimamrita, Shatak 11, verse 1. So here he fully develops the analogy of the Vrindavan is the mother and the Sadhaka is the child. It's really beautiful. So he's saying, feed me, because mothers, they protect. The mother saves you from danger. Then she protects you and gives you shelter. then she nourishes you. So he's saying, please save me from this danger of my material desires and my asatsanga tyag, a Vaishnavachara. Let me reject and renounce and give up this asatsanga. Sri Sangha, Abhakta Sri Sangha, all these asatsanga. And keep me on your lap, which means keep me in Vrindavan, and keep feeding me. Please, oh mother, please keep me here in Vrindavan. And since I'm living with you, like if a child is living with the mother will only feed him one day? No, she'll feed him all day long. He's hungry. Mama, I'm hungry. What do you want? Oh, pakora, chutney. Okay. So she's cooking all day and feeding and nourishing all day. So please keep me on your lap and feed me, not just one time. Oh, you're hungry, take some food. Every day, nourish me. What food do I want? I want milk. Not regular milk, but divya dood. Divya dood. Transcendental milk. Oshadi, Amrit. Milk by Ayurvedic Shastra is already called Amrit. It's called Amrit because it's so life-giving and so good for health. Cow's milk. So he's saying, please give me the milk of transcendental love. So I want love. Please, every day nourish me with love. More and more love for Ishvara and Ishwari. Ishvara and Ishwari. Ishwari is Radha and Ishvara is Krishna. Sometimes Radharani is also called Shrisha. It's a very beautiful name. Shrisha means that she is the Lord of Lakshmi Devi. She controls. Shrisha means, Isha means controller, and Shri means goddess of fortune, or Lakshmi Devi. So even Lakshmi Devi is hankering to become a Braja Gopi. Even she's doing tapa in Vrindavan since time immemorial. And Bailvan is one forest over across the Yamuna. And Bilvavan, she's doing tapasya to try to develop a gopi bhav. She has female form, and she has madhurarati, but she doesn't have this gopi bhav. She doesn't have the attitude or the mood of a gopi. She has some mahishi bhav, some queen, royalty bhav, and she can't give that up. So this bhav, this feeling, this attitude is most important. So these are the prayers. Very nice. I'm not so good on learning all these Sanskrit verses, but they're very nice. Vrindavan Mahimamrita 1:9, first Sataka, verse number 96, and first Sataka, verse looks like 93. I think so. Not sure. And then 11:1.